So now let's start by creating our image. My background is black, so go to File, New. And now I want a square size image, so I'm just going to change the width to 1500 and the height to 1500 and then press OK. So here it is, and I press minus on your keyboard to zoom out. And now create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now select the rectangle select tool, check the expand from center and then check the fixed aspect ratio since we want a perfect square. And now I'm just going to create my square. So I think I'm going to create it this size here and now press enter. And now I'm just going to fill it with any color. So let's say I'm going to fill it with the white color. And now go to select none. So here it is. And now we need to center our layer here on the image. So select the white rectangle, go to layer and then crop layers to content. And now select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image, and now let's align it horizontally and then vertically. And now if you want to remove these squares here of the alignment tool, just select another tool. And now create a new transparent layer, click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now we're going to create our grid. So go to Filter, Render, Pattern, and then Grid. Now I'm going to change the color, left click on color. So I'm going to change it to this color here, press OK. And now for the width and the height of the grid here, I'm going to change it to 150, double click. So the chain icon here is linked. So if I change it to 150, it will change them both, the width and the height, press enter. And now I selected 150 because our image is 1500, so it will be, I think, much better. So now just press OK. And now left click on the FX icon here, layer effects, and then click on this icon here to merge the layer effect with the layer. So here it is. Now I'm going to hide it. Now we need to create guides here from this background layer and then from this white square. So I will start by the white square, right click on it, alpha to selection, and then go to image, guides, and then click on new guides from selection. This will create guides from the selection here. So here it is. And now I'm going to make selection from the black rectangle here, the background layer. So select it. So here it is. Right click on it, alpha to selection. Now we made selection here from our background layer, and now we'll do the same thing. Go to image, guides, and then new guides from selection. So here it is. Here are our guides. And now let's remove the selection. Go to select none. And now make sure go to view. The snap to guides here is checked. And now let's reveal our grid, this one here. So here it is. Select the perspective tool, left click. And now I just need to bring these handles here to these two guides here. So I'm just going to bring this one here like this, and this one here. So as you can see, it snaps. And now let's bring this one. So press plus on your keyboard to zoom in to be more precise. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press enter. And now as you can see, our grid here doesn't have the right edge here. So I'm just going to duplicate this grid here, duplicate it. So let's select the move tool here to select another tool. Select the flip tool. Make sure the direction is horizontal. And now let's flip the duplicated layer, flip it. So here it is. And now I'm going to merge down these two. So here it is. And now I'm going to select the grid here, right click on it, layer to image size. And now I'm going to duplicate it. Click on this icon. We are still on the flip tool. This time change the direction to vertical. Left click and then left click on duplicated layer. So here it is. As you can see, it is the same. So now I'm going to merge down these two grids here. Click on this icon here to merge down. So here it is. Now I'm going to duplicate it. Click on this icon. And now select the rotation tool. So left click here. And now I'm going to change the angle to 90 degrees. And then press enter. So here it is. And now click on rotate. And now I'm going to hide the white square, Now I'm going to remove the guides here, so go to image, guides, remove all guides. So let's select the move tool.